Welcome to Life Guru. Today, we have an exciting topic that's all about finding joy and relaxation through creative hobbies. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's crucial to take time for ourselves and indulge in activities that bring peace to our minds and hearts. So, let's explore some incredible creative hobbies that will help you relax and unwind. Let's get started. 1. Painting and drawing. Painting and drawing are fantastic ways to express yourself and tap into your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, pick up a canvas, some brushes, and let your imagination flow. Explore different techniques, experiment with colors, and create your masterpiece. Inspiration tip: don't worry about perfection, just let your creativity guide you. Share your artwork with us in the comments below. 2. Crafting and DIY projects. Crafting and DIY projects offer endless possibilities. From making handmade cards to creating home decor items, there's something truly satisfying about crafting with your own hands. Get inspired by DIY tutorials, recycle materials, and let your inner crafter shine. Inspiration tip: have you recently completed a DIY project? We'd love to see it. Share your creations with the Life Guru community. 3. Photography. Capture the beauty of the world around you through photography. Whether you use a professional camera or your smartphone, photography allows you to see the world from a different perspective. Explore nature, take candid shots, or experiment with stunning landscapes. Inspiration tip: share your favorite photograph and the story behind it in the comments. Let's celebrate the beauty of life through your lens. 4. Writing and journaling. Writing and journaling are powerful ways to express your thoughts and emotions. Pen down your feelings, keep a gratitude journal, or start a creative writing project. Writing can be therapeutic and a gateway to self-discovery. Inspiration tip: try journaling for a week and see how it makes you feel. You might be surprised at the insights you gain. 5. Cooking and baking. Get creative in the kitchen with cooking and baking. Trying new recipes, experimenting with flavors, and creating delightful dishes can be both fun and rewarding. Plus, you get to enjoy delicious treats afterward. Inspiration tip: share your favorite recipe with us. We might try it out and feature it on our community page. And that concludes our exploration of creative hobbies to relax and unwind. Remember, dedicating time to hobbies that bring joy and fulfillment is an essential aspect of self-care. Embrace your creativity, explore new horizons, and find peace in these beautiful activities. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Life Guru for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, take care and keep nurturing your creative spirit.